Have you ever played phone tag with a business contact, either a new partner, strategic partner, or someone you're already working with, a vendor? You've got to talk about something where it's just a little too complicated to type it all out. You want to talk to them. You want them to hear you explain it. Here's what I do increasingly these days to save time, to make it easier for me, is when if I know I want to communicate something by speaking, I just record a video. There's nothing fancy, polished about it. It's just me talking as if I were having a conversation with a person, and then I email it to them. So if they're in a different continent, different time zones, or they're in and out of meetings, they've got it right there. They can watch when it's a convenient time for them. And there are just sometimes when it's more powerful than a voicemail, and yet it's much faster than typing out a memo. To type out a memo, you can spend a half an hour or an hour, but for me to spend 5 minutes making a video explaining something takes me exactly 5 minutes. And when you're dealing with someone, a prospect, for example, or someone who you're trying to get to hire you, or someone you're hiring, I find it's much more powerful when they can see you addressing them by name, looking right at them, talking to them, telling them about either what you need from them or what you're going to do for them. So that's why I recommend do simple talking head videos to communicate. It's simple, it's easy. It also, frankly, stands out because so few people do it. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, please go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com. You can get some of my books for free, no charge. You can also find out about our upcoming live workshops and online training courses.